eti gidi na that for we economy na kufado bibi say
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betimi the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary Ghanaian, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
eti gidi na that for we economy na kufado bibi say enwani mama yehu say kasatintin we entoponko kasatintin no mu ye dede you run your mouths. Now you thought say you are men. You thought say you are elite. You thought say you have the strength to this. I would be boom my. And your mind that way. Barely 2 years. What do we see? Barely 2 years. What do we see? That than NDC. Oh, the mama, well, 2 years here. The many mama didn't go for buy. Infrastructure development bank
president.
And now why year? And then why year? 2 years. If almost 2 years. And then why year? Mon list my
Dollar na you.
Atigya.
Dollar mbafo.
Ya te kuro mu ha no. Mi poto go be, mi ko nya go be no no ma ya ni dollar. Give me cities. If you buy a full car, ya give me cities. Ya ni dollar. No go check go. Yeah. Mo start and amaya, it will get 300 million. And go can go. If I want e ba ye, ya can say wetin ya. This is the story you presented to the Ghanaian people. This is the story you presented. Not knowing say mo pesia ko tom kwa be mo nka. Mo pesia ko tom kwa be mo nka.
Na dem ko no mo ko to be mo an ko to be.
Okay. Apart from NDC executives of Munya 550 na unya ni.
Sama apply.
So unya Ghana ni. Ka Ghana ni pa. Say Ghana for the way. Is that? We Ghana ni Ghana be.
Na sa sama okay di.
We Ghana ni.
Na me avu.
And ya tell ya.
Na me se me man ko sa mi ko pebi.
E mo apply nya. Ya ma ko those executives. I'm NDC. Unya bi. We are negative. I want this. I want him. No what you have the gut. No my phone yet. Now a home minister, a great minister, as I would just can't say, the cat got tax space work here. Tax space go. You have a put you. Now I was not for some more women. What's it? And go forward to Bukonari. Go to Makotan Gonari. Makotan Bukonari. Makotan, yeah, most started and Amaya, it will get 300 million. And go can go if I want to say what yet. This is the story you presented to the Ghanaian people. This is the story you presented. Not knowing say mo pesia ko tom kwa be mo nka. Mo pesia ko tom kwa be mo nka.
Na dem ko no mo ko to be mo an ko to be.
Okay. Apart from NDC executives of Munya 550 na unya ni.
Sama apply.
So unya Ghana ni. Ka Ghana ni pa. Say Ghana for the way. Is that? We Ghana ni Ghana be.
Na sa sama okay di.
We Ghana ni.
Na me avu.
And ya tell ya.
Na me se me man ko sa mi ko pebi.
E mo apply nya. Ya ma ko those executives. I'm NDC. Unya bi. We are negative. I want this. Unya bi. I want him. No what you have the gut. No my phone yet. Now a home minister, a great minister, as I would just can't say, the cat got tax space for Kia. Tax space go. You have a put you. Now I was not for some more women. What's it? And go 40 Bukonari. I go 40 Bukonari.
It's in the crowd.
I'm saying, them got to say, upon some of us, I say, Montina from Manasa Chua. Me say, upon some of us, I say, Montina from Manasa Chua. Diane, me, I am not betraying. I'm sure we say the jump of 40 years, 24 hour economy, i.e., 1 million my youth coders program, and I get the weapon bank in busy. Bank in a busy. And was here for and was for talking anyway, and was sent out here. Concontaining was here, Monkumena Falle, Monum was you, and a Monkumena Falle. The gun of your drink as a blaster in a woody politics called blaster, and a blaster would you say? Well, yet Timmy shall go, Papa, because
Not a loss of home.
Anyway,
Medasi.
Then said, come what the car for
Medasi. Was Rose or Belquati be a man for one a year tree our taxpayers' money, and a year tree our car. Ghana for 1 million cents form, Papa. 1 my Ghana for is form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto abasama because we will be tenasu for good 12 years. We be ye vice president. Ema wujade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show some ubu ye. We wote wunye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a wetwa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra sese a wo betwa 12 good years. Wo to me nye hwe. Wo promises en kokon ketenkete omo adwane en confirm a wo di ba ya omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a wo promise omo se wo betu ebula ama koko farmers bia wo ba ye wo beti koko no so ewum. Wo nsan so ntua ka wo firi omo koko wo di omo ka. Wo ba ya wo si agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo si market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase wo be sori e na wo si market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri wo so nyame nsan ni wo so. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say Bl0gg3rs di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo Bl0gg3rs Ghana for be komu no esum bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na ewo nu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Ojene da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, ye no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we na me ye ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem fata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component, go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them go watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi, me na me go catch you radio ndama ni ma say all members come to Mutu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there bi. Digitalization and to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba, omo ma mo kinki, amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon the money mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now what they are making and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and you now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Fiums, hey, Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.